Established in 1937, the Research and Development Wing of Tata Steel gives distinct competitive edge to the steel behemoth to address emerging challenges. Backed by the spirit that combines dedicated customer service with world-class research facilities, Tata Steel delivers high-quality package. The division's Material Characterization and Joining Research Group have a new Center for Advanced Welding and Joining that is fully equipped to take up challenges related to welding and joining applications across industry segments. The MFDC resistant spot welding machine establishes joining conditions of automotive steels for product approval. Resistant seam is employed for producing leak-proof fuel tanks of coated steels. The flash butt welding machine is used for optimizing welding parameters for wheel rim steels. The sophisticated fiber laser system has been installed for carrying out research in different applications, particularly for sheet metal joining and additive manufacturing. GMAW cold arc and cold metal transfer processes are used for controlled heat input fusion welding. Precise robot programming enables high-quality welds in thin sheets. Magnetic pulse welding is essentially used for dissimilar material joining. Localized joining without melting in short time, environmentally friendly are the most attractive features. Self-piercing riveting is increasingly being used as an alternative to spot welding for excellent fatigue performance. Powered by a group of highly qualified researchers, the Welding Center is geared up to provide the best solutions. Welding versatility to the future of steel.